are going to love the 2020 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, power brakes, rear bumper protector, PIO. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Mazda Connect, satellite communications, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, child safety locks, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Mazda certified pre-owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough, detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda certified means that you have both limited and powertrain warranty and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic certified pre-owned program.